Dear students, myself I am Mamta Devi AP, Assistant Professor of Chemistry. In this video, I am going to explain session 34 of Chemical Kinetics. Content of this video are experimental verification of second order reactions, study of kinetics of saponification of an ester. Experimental verification of second order reactions, that is study of kinetics of saponification of an ester. Principle: the reaction between ethyl acetate and alkali takes place as follows. Ethyl acetate reacts with sodium hydroxide, gives acetic acid and ethyl alcohol. The rate of the reaction is given by dx by dt is equal to K into product of concentration of methyl acetate and sodium hydroxide. The saponification of an ester is a second order reaction. The rate constant of such a second order reaction is given by K is equal to 1 by T into X divided by A into A minus X, where A is the initial concentration of ethyl acetate, A minus X is the concentration at the instant time T seconds, and X is the concentration of ethyl acetate which has reacted in time t minutes. Since sodium hydroxide is one of the reactants, the course of the reaction is followed by determining the concentration of sodium hydroxide from time to time by titration against standard hydrochloric acid. As the reaction proceeds, more and more sodium hydroxide is consumed. Hence, the volume of hydrochloric acid needed for titration decreases with time. Procedure: place 25 cm cube of N by 50 sodium hydroxide and 25 cm cube of N by 50 ethyl acetate in a separate reaction vessels. Cork the vessels and keep them in a thermostat. Allow for 15 minutes to maintain constant temperature. After attaining a constant temperature, mix both the solutions well and immediately pipette out 10 cm cube of the mixture into a clean conical flask containing 25 cm cube of ice cold water, and the stop clock is started when the pipette is half emptied. A few drops of phenolphthalein is added. Titrate this against standard N by 50 hydrochloric acid taken in the burette. Let the volume of hydrochloric acid run down be V0 cm cube, which corresponds to T is equal to 0. Pipette further aliquots of 10 cm cube of the reaction mixture each time at interval of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 and 50 minutes. Titrate the solution against standard hydrochloric acid taken in the burette. Let the volume of hydrochloric acid run down each time be VTcm cube. This corresponds to the concentration of unreacted ethyl acetate A minus X at instant T. Calculate the rate constant of the reaction by substituting the values of A, X and A minus X from the experimental data into equation 1. The constant values of K indicates that saponification of an ester follows second order kinetics. Calculation: initial concentration of ethyl acetate A is proportional to V0. The concentration at the time T proportional to A minus X, that is equal to Vt. Concentration of ethyl acetate reacted in time T is proportional to A into A minus X, that is equal to V0 minus Vt. So K is equal to 1 by T into X divided by A into A minus X becomes K is equal to 1 by T into V0 minus Vt divided by V0 into Vt. Prepare a table having columns like time in minutes. Under that columns, write 0 to 50 minutes, and the second column burette reading, final burette reading. Third column burette reading, initial burette reading. Fourth column volume of hydrochloric acid. Fifth column K is equal to 1 by T into V0 minus Vt divided by V0 into Vt. Finally, find out the average value of rate constant. The rate constant can also be determined by a graphical method. Here, plot a graph of 1 by Vt along y-axis, time along x-axis. We get a straight line where slope becomes equal to dy minus dx. Rate constant k is equal to slope divided by a, liter per mole per minute. Thus, the rate constant can also be determined from this graphical method. Session summary. Experimental verification of second order reactions, that is study of kinetics of saponification of an ester. If you want to study more about this topic, refer Physical Chemistry by P.W. Atkins, Physical Chemistry by W.J. Morey, Principles of Physical Chemistry by Puri Sharma and Patania, Swayam, Physical Chemistry by R.L. Madan and J.D. Tuli, Textbook of Advanced Physical Chemistry by Gurudeep Raj. Thank you.